Kalusima Shangu, Hector Peterson, Steve Biko, Bambata, Gungunyani, Muswat, Amatayas. Your training was never in vain. They fought for our freedom and they did it. In your graves, you must be telling me and smiling. I cannot imagine the peace in the possible. For South Africa has seen the freedom we long for. For South Africa has celebrated the freedom we died for. Shout it on this mountain. Shout Habatam Maliboro, Maliase, Matlejuan. You name them. Shout the victorious shout. Shout, shout of freedom and breakthrough. Limpopo River, Olifant River, Mohezi, Mabutagal. Flow from north to south, from east to west. Let the drums beat. Heralds our freedom over apartheid. Let the drums beat. Turns our blood torrents as we are celebrating the fruit of Rainbow Nation. Our heroes, our people.
To be raised to the position of a semi-god. Because then you are no longer a human being.
Right. After we declared power make different you were in thought, but together we stood for test of freedom. We stood the test of right. We represented the rainbow.